Homemade chicken broth. 1. Season it with salt, hot pepper, paprika, black pepper. Cook it for 30 to 35 minutes, 350 degrees. Make sure it's cooked through. 2. Grind the cooked chicken, because the coffee grinder cannot handle big chunk of chicken. 3. Dry it. If you have a dehydrator, make sure it's in the last lowest setting. You just need the air to dry. No dehydrator? No problem, use a large plate. Put printing paper first to prevent the chicken from moist. Put it inside your oven. Make sure your oven turned off, slightly open the door. Rotate once a day, 2 to 3 days it will dry. 4. Use coffee grinder and grind it to a powder, sifting optional. 5. Optional. 1 cup chicken broth powder, 1 cup vegetable broth powder, 2 spoon coconut oil mix. Theme. Divide them on piece of paper. Put them in the fridge for 20 minutes. When it's hardened, jar it. Keep it in the fridge. Please subscribe.